with joy about what we will accomplish for our beloved city over the coming years. And so with that, let us begin. Please repeat after me and raise your right hand. I, Zohran Mamdani, do solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States, the Constitution of the State of New York, and the Charter of the City of New York, and that I will faithfully discharge the duties of the office of the Mayor of the City of New York, according to the best of my ability. So help me God. Congratulations, Mr. Mayor.
Mr. Mayor, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Very happy to be here. Okay.
It's such a pleasure to have you.
Please sign your name.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And may I now ask for your $9 final?
You may ask for my $9. There we go. This should be exact change.
Excellent, Mr. Mayor. Thank you very much. And the last thing, would you please sign the book?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ali.
Thank you, Mr. Najmi.
Thank you, Mayor. Okay, so you're going to sign the first line here. You're going to put today's date, your signature.
Okay. Print or sign right here?
Oh, could you do both?
Okay.
Thank you.
Is this
City
Gracie?
Hall?
City Hall?
Hall?
Okay.
Okay.
Do I leave that for you?
You leave that for me. Okay, it is now official.
Thank you.
Mr. Mayor, congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's the honor of a lifetime. Thank you.